Okay, so our first step in these is to get this angle drawn, determine the reference angle, and then we'll be able to make a triangle and get the sides from there. So negative 225 degrees is going to end up in quadrant 2 because you're really going in the negative direction. And so it's going to be right there. We'll make the triangle right away. So this right here is the negative 225, but we're really saying how far past 180 is it? So 225 minus 180 is 45 degrees. So we're working with a 45, 45, 90 triangle. And the side ratios for that are 1, 1, root 2. But because of the placement of the triangle, this is going to be negative 1, positive 1, root 2. So then cosine is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, or the x value over the r value. So this would be negative 1 over root 2, which we could also write as negative root 2 over 2. And then for tangent of 11 pi over 6, the first thing that I'm going to do is just think about what that is in degrees. So this would be tangent of 330 degrees. Remember that over 6 is really coming from 30 degrees. 30 times 11 gives you the 330. We're going in the positive direction, so counterclockwise. 330 degrees is in quadrant 4. To get the reference angle, I would do 360 minus 330, which gives me 30 degrees. And that is going to be right there. So this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, which has the ratios of 1 to root 3. Opposite 30 degrees is the one side, but it's going to be negative 1 based on the placement. Opposite the 60, which is really right here, is going to be root 3, and that's positive. And then the hypotenuse is always positive. Tangent is the opposite over the adjacent, or the y value over the x value. So we've got negative 1 over root 3, which is equivalent to negative root 3 over 3.